Alrighty, today's plan is jumping on the red Jeep, getting this engine, transmission T-case out, and doing the same thing to the black Jeep, because this engine is going in the red one. And between all of that, gonna make a video, and I believe I'm gonna do the video on my Icon 3/8 drive Locking Flex Head Ratchet. So I've had it for a long time now, and it's in here somewhere. There she is. Alright. So yeah, I've had it for a while already, and this is definitely my go-to ratchet. So we'll just see how it's been holding up, you know. I take care of my tools, and then at the same time, I don't take the best care of them. But I take pretty good care of them. Welcome to Sub for Tools. Today we're going to take a look at this Icon 3/8 drive Locking Flex Head, the G2. Gonna see how it's held up over 7 months. Got this back in November 27th. It was Black Friday at Harbor Freight. 40% off of all Icon ratchets. And this was one of the ones that I picked up, and this turned into my go-to ratchet. I absolutely love using this ratchet. It's my second favorite. My first favorite would be the 1/2" drive Locking Flex Head. But man, it's so big. It's my favorite one. I love that ratchet, but I hate using it, because when you have to use it, you're working hard. But anyways, so 7 months, it's picked up its fair amount of scratches. I try to take care of them, but maybe not all the time they get the best care taken of them. I've only lubed this ratchet one time, and it's still very, very nice. The chrome has taken its fair share of scratches and wear, but I mean, that really doesn't matter to me too much. The black coating it's weathered, as on the Anvil. Everything still works great though. I've had zero problems out of it. No skips, no lockups. Just, it runs. It runs. The handle The handle is still good. It's not all gummy or broken up. It's still real good. The ink hasn't smeared out too bad. I mean, I usually just clean it with some lubricant, Zep 45. Takes the dirt off, and it's a little slimy when it's wet, but once it dries, it's right back to being sticky again. No slime at all. So I try to keep the brake clean off of it because I'm sure that would break it down real quick. So yeah, no cracks, no tears. No cheater pipes have been put on this ratchet at all. I usually will not put a cheater pipe on any ratchet that I have a comfort grip on. I have other ratchets that are just chrome handle, and if I need a cheater pipe on them, I have no problem sliding one on them. At the same time, I'm probably not going to put a cheater pipe on a 3/8. I'm probably going to step it up to a 1/2-inch drive if I have the headroom, and put a cheater pipe on that if I have to. So yeah, there's not a lot to say here. Ratchet's good, real good. It's absolutely recommend it. Maybe not at full price. I don't recommend buying anything at Harbor Freight for full price unless you're just absolutely dying for it at the moment. Other than that, my limit is 15%. I don't want to buy anything that's under 15% off. A lot of people say 20, but I don't know. Maybe my standards are a little bit lower. So that just leaves my buying window a little broader. But yeah, zero issues. This is going to be a short video. Guess I can get back to work now. I was hoping to do this video in front of an empty engine bay, but I got called out to work. And I got back and I figured, well, I'm already at a stopping point. Might as well knock out a video. Don't really have much left in here. Just torque converter bolts, transmission bell housing bolts, and motor mounts. And lean my hood back all the way and pull her on out. Then put the other one in and do everything in reverse. We'll see. Oh, I want to tackle that exhaust pipe down there. It is got some dents in it, so that's definitely not helping the airflow. So yeah, maybe put the exhaust off my black Jeep on here. Probably won't go through the trouble of heating it up and trying to hammer something through it. But yeah, laters.